Hi guys, welcome back to ET's Indian channel. Today we are making simple, delicious coconut curry chickpeas. For this dish, you can simply use your pantry items. We are heating oil in our pan. Once the oil is hot, we will add in 3 different type of seeds. So cumin seeds, fennel, that's saunf, and mustard seeds, rye. So cumin, mustard and fennel seeds are in. Recipe details will be in the description box below. Next we are adding chopped onions, tomato paste, some basic ginger and garlic. They are usually the base of our masala. So onions chopped in the pot along with grated ginger and minced garlic, giving them a quick mix so that they are well coated with the oil. And then we'll add in our spices. So salt as per taste, and this is also so that onions can cook a little faster. Along with that, we add in turmeric and chili powder. Turmeric gives nice color, it has antiseptic properties, and for some heat we are adding chili powder. Let's give it a quick mix. And then we are going to add in a little bit of tomato paste. Now if you have fresh tomatoes, you can puree them, you can blend them. Tomato paste gives a nice volume, a little bit more body taste to our dish. So tomato paste is in, mixing it well. Our masala base is getting ready. I'm adding 2 cups of chickpeas. These are boiled. If you don't have boiled chickpeas, you might need to do that. Or you can use canned chickpeas. This makes the cooking process a little easy, a little faster. You can simply pressure cook them in your pressure cooker. Next we are adding chana masala, which is blend of different Indian spices. This is a North India masala, chana masala. You can get it from the store or make your own chana masala. Basically it's cumin, coriander, all those powders together. So chana masala is in. Let's give it a quick mix. If you don't have it, maybe you can use some garam masala. Alright, next, in order to give more flavor to our chickpeas, we will add in kasuri methi, that's dried fenugreek leaves. So we'll sprinkle some of them, and again, we can always adapt the recipe depending on what spices we have in our pantries. So I'm adding a little bit of fenugreek leaves. Let's give them a quick mix. Next we will add in coconut milk, slowly making sure it's well incorporated, all the flavor is in. You can dump it all in as well. I just want to make sure everything mixes in well together, and then we'll let our chickpeas simmer so that they can soak in some flavor from the spices, from coconut milk. And once things are boiling, bubbling, then you know your dish is ready. It's really easy to make recipe. I hope you give it a try in your own kitchen. Look at that gorgeous color. I'm finishing it off with a little bit more dried fenugreek leaves, kasuri methi, but you can finish it off with cilantro, coriander leaves. This dish is best enjoyed with some rice, with naan, with paratha, with roti. You can enjoy it as such on its own too. I can also enjoy it with some noodles, and that's my plan for this dish. Look at that gorgeous colors, and aroma is really good as well. Alright guys, that's it for today. Our chickpea coconut curry is ready. Enjoy it in the comfort of your own kitchen, and do keep watching ET's Indian channel for more tasty recipes. Have a fantastic rest of your day.